Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo. I'm in Hobby Lobby where all of your gingerbread and Candyland dreams have arrived. Let's go shopping.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing?
So today we're in Hobby Lobby. We're looking at all things gingerbread, Candyland. They did a whole new pastel gingerbread version of treats, and we're going to take a look at that. Just wanted to give you guys a heads up. We're also going to be coming back and seeing more things as they put them out, but I want to focus really in on all the new gingerbread. It is hitting the shelves ahead of everything in my store, so let's go from the rounder back to the section where I want to start with some of their oversized treats. If you don't know, it is time to grab whatever you're going to get for Christmas because you'll see a few signs that say 40% off, but this week they hit 50% off. So all Christmas is going to be 50% off from now till Christmas. They will not reduce below that before Christmas. Now, in the last few years, they've done a few of their oversized lollipops, candy canes, but this year they're adding in so many pastel colors. They've done a whole new line. It's called Candyland. We're going to be walking down the aisles right behind me. I do want to show you that they have cotton candy. I think this is so adorable. And again, all of these things are going to be 50% off, which puts them roughly between $5 and $7. And that's such a good price. They're loading the shelves. There are bins everywhere. I just want to give you guys sort of an idea of what is out. And then we're going to head down to the gingerbread aisle. I actually was stunned because they're putting out lots and there's bins everywhere. I did not think that they were going to have an aisle fully stocked, but when it came to the gingerbread and the Candyland, they had done that first. I am also going to give you guys a sneak preview of the Grinch items and some of the Nutcrackers that are just fabulous this year. All right, so let's go from all the oversized treats down to the gingerbread aisles, and I have to tell you, it's all along this whole wall being fully stocked. They have the large gingerbread guys, so they do light up. These are going to be $20. They also have these guys, and I am in love with this Santa and Mrs. Claus. Could they be any sweeter? So a little pricey, so that would be $32 a piece, but that is before 50% off. So you're looking at what? I think $16. Let's start with the Candyland pastel gingerbread items. They have tons of boxed treats. So $9.99, those would be $5 for 4. Are you kidding me? That's the same price as Dollar Tree per item, and I just think that that is a great deal. Now they have some gorgeous gumball looking large ornaments. They come in boxes, sets of 4. They also have these adorable donuts. Again, they're priced right at $9.99, so $10, 50% off. That's $5, $1.25 per item. They have the oversized wrapped candy, so many treats. Up here you can see they've got all kinds of things from gumballs to cupcakes and ice cream cones. I love this little set of 4 ice cream cones. $14.99 for those, so a little bit higher, so you're looking at $7.50 for the set of 4. Oversized gumdrops covered in sugar. They also have these gingerbread style cookie cutouts, $10.99. You get 4 in that pack and they'll be 50% off. These that look like little snowflakes covered in sugar, and then they have down here some of the cutest pieces. These little cake pops I just adore. 6-pack for those. They also have the ice cream cones, $10.99 for the 4-pack. They have some oversized ornaments that coordinate in the blue, purple, yellow, and pink. Some standing trees that coordinate in purple, the tallest, pink in the middle, and blue is the shortest. Some iced looking snowflakes that look like cookies falling from heaven, if you ask me, and some ornaments that are already decked out that look like ice cream cones and different sweet treats. They even have garland. So this is an oversized donut garland. Oh my goodness, you guys, it is so adorable. They did a few others. These are more in the pastel colors. They're more of a candy gumball style. I just want to bring them all home and put them all around. I think that would just make me feel really happy right now. They have a smaller version of the donuts in the pastel colors, and they're so reasonably priced because these are going to be 50% off as well. Now they also have some picks in this Candyland theme, from snowflakes to donuts on little picks. So cute. They also have some coordinating little swirls in chenille, and these, you guys, they're macaroons. Oh my gosh, so cute. They also have them in packs of lollipops, and they have some of the cutest ornaments to go with this collection. A lot of them come in 2 and 3 packs, and they are sweet treat themed. So these are actually going to be $4 a pack. You do get 2 for this in the ice cream. And are you kidding me? I love the cotton candy. Now these are so realistic looking in person. These ice cream, I cannot tell you how cute they are. They also have the chocolate covered pretzels. Down here they have a cotton candy and ice cream shop, some more cake pops, some candy canes, and then they have the little gingerbread on the tray. So be sure to check out your stores if you are a lover of all pastels and treats for Christmas, because they're putting out some of the cutest things I've seen them do for years. Now, to go along with all these sweet treats and ornaments for decorating for Christmas, I do want to highlight something I found on the ribbon aisle. It's the only thing I'm going to show you guys, but it is ribbon that coordinates with this Candyland collection. They have it in macaroons, vintage looking ornaments, trees, cocoa, and candy canes. Definitely check it out if that is something you love. Now, onto the regular gingerbread aisle and some of the things that they're putting out this year. I think this is so sweet. This would be great if you didn't want to make a gingerbread house this year. You could have a whole little village. That one is $32, so you're looking at 50% off of that. Now they also have lots of houses to choose from, so this one would be $10. They also have this one for $10, half off of $20. Super cute, lots of glitter. And then they have the light up versions. These are a little bit larger. Up here they have some smaller versions. Now the smaller versions, I'm not gonna lie, I think they're a little overpriced. They are $16.99, so that's $8.50. They do light up. They're cute, but I'm not sure about that price. Now up here they have some good deals. I will say that they did a really good job on this one. I think it is gorgeous, and it is going to be $15 at 50% off from $29.99. So I think that's a really good buy. It does not light up. I think it is just classically beautiful. They also have this one, which is $60. It does light up. It is a lot heavier. It's that clay material, so you get what you pay for, and that would be $30 at 50% off. They have lots of little gnomes in the gingerbread section this time. Santa's doing all kinds of baking, and this that I think is really beautiful. This is a little sleigh. I have to get on my game because Christmas is here. They have a coordinating little reindeer to go with them, and those colors just blend perfectly with all the gingerbread. They have lots of characters, boys and girls, and dressed in winter clothing and just more traditional pieces. They have the little s'more ornaments, the sets of 3. Now I think this guy's super cute. He's new. I haven't seen him in years past. I like the cocoa sign. Of course, they're putting out the packs of ornaments that they've had in the past and the countdowns, but I think this gingerbread countdown may be new. I do not remember this one from last year. It is really well done. I think it is very cute, and it would only be $10. That's a really good price for something this size. They also have a ton of gingerbread ornaments out, from little bakers to boys and girls with little aprons and spoons and whisks. So cute. Lots of them to choose from, different styles. They also have them in stuffed versions, and of course they had to get in on the gnomes in the gingerbread. There's actually 3 versions of this little baker gnome for Christmas. They also have this. I thought this was interesting. It's a flat-sided rolling pin. This one is $3. It'd be a great little addition to maybe a tiered tray, and these I think are really cute. They're just little signs. They almost remind me of little keys with the little hanging gingerbread at the end. They also have a joy sign in the gingerbread, freshly baked daily gingerbread signs in all variations. Now this I love. It is sort of a garland of gingerbread. It's small, but I do think it's adorable. That was a great idea. They have the oversized gingerbread cookie cutter that comes with the wood dangle in the middle. lots of little cutting boards, some gingerbread houses, some gingerbread cookies, and some more gingerbread houses and cookies along with the cookies on the trays. And then the little jars full of treats. Down here they have the gingerbread boys and girls on picks, so if you want to add them to something, and some more signs. So I think that they did a really good job. I'm sure that there'll be more when it comes to the gingerbread collection, and you know I will be here for it. This is definitely our first trip in. I love some of the Santas they're doing this year, especially for the gingerbread collection. I like this little guy with his little cookie cutter, but those up there in Santa and Mrs. Claus are my absolute favorite. I think those are going to go quite quickly. They also have these oversized ornaments in packs of 3. They are $12, so they would be $2 a piece. Some really cute little mugs full of Santa and gingerbread that would be $3.50, and some adorable snowflake gingerbread, some more characters all dressed up for the cold, and even a Nutcracker. And again, here's another look at the oversized marquee. Now they also have this one that lights up. It was not plugged in, so I couldn't light that up for you guys, but lots of houses to choose from this year. Let me know, are you doing gingerbread in your home? Comment down below and let me know. Now here's a quick preview of some of the things in the Grinch aisle. They do have this oversized piece. I think it's going to end up being like $15. Now that one was really lightweight. This one's really heavy. It's $80 regularly, so it'd be $40. It's like the ones from Walmart. They also have a dancing Grinch. Of course they do. Lots of little marshmallow Grinch and lots of stuffed Grinch items on this aisle. So Cindy Lou, and I don't know, I think the dog's name is Zero. They have the train, and down below they have lots of fun little Grinch trees. They're also bringing out quite a few elf items. It looks like this is going to be sort of the novelty aisle, but you guys, look at these Grinch they have in this bin. Now, I don't think that they talk or say anything. They're going to be $30 at half price, but that heart lights up, and I think that those are going to be very popular. They also have some small stockings and lots of Buddy the Elf items. Now, this little guy actually had a tag on him, so something goes on there. I'm not quite sure what. They also have this one that's just a stuffy and some stuffed dogs, more marshmallows, all the coordinating ornaments that go with this section. And I was in the aisle and I heard someone talking to a customer that worked at the store that said they've already sold out of their full-size Grinch tree because everything went 50% off and they were gone within a matter of hours. They said they only got in a certain number. I think she said 5 or 6, and they were gone. So keep your eye out. Now, before they went 50% off, I was in just looking at the clearance and I found all these beautiful Nutcrackers. They have the Wiseman and Nutcrackers and they're gorgeous. Now they have some more modern, solid colored ones. They have some gnomes. They have some more traditional, and then they have some glam covered in glitter. I really think that they have done a really pretty job with a lot of their Nutcrackers. They have something for everyone. They had these little princesses down here. I think one of those is from The Wizard of Oz, but I'm telling you what, these Wisemen could not be done any better. They are just beautiful. Of course, they've got their whole island set up full of them, and this one that goes with the gingerbread collection. Here's a better look at him, and so he would be all of $10.50. Not bad if you ask me. Now, along many of the aisles, they are just getting started. So I wanted to show you what I'm looking at because you know there will be a trip in the future. Not long from now, they're getting ready to put out all of their collections, and I'm seeing some things that I think are beautiful, including garlands. Grab them now while they're 50% before they're sold out. I hope you enjoyed coming with me to Hobby Lobby and looking at Christmas. I'll see you back very soon.
Christmas, I only want